Can we pass the mic to that
lady in the
lady in the back?
Oh, there is a mic. Cool.
She's got it.
Oh, so they got
Thank you.
one. They got
I
one.
think
Yes,
I got it.
I have it. Thank you. Thank you so much. This has been very interesting. I want to know your take on education. Where do you think that AI and the field of education will, intersect together? Thank you.
AI is like, so in the U.S. we used to have this system when I had to read books called Cliff Notes. So Cliff Notes were summarizations, except there was this publishing, instead of reading the 300-page novel, you read the Cliff Notes of 30 pages.
Yeah.
And that summarization was, you'll take an exam on that, and then
80% of the time.
it'll help you get a B.
Yeah.
But an A student would never read the Cliff Notes, right?
Yeah.
So AI is very similar. You could be a great B student using AI. You'll never be the A student. Right? And so if you really want to achieve the best, you can't rely on AI and take shortcuts. So that's in terms of education. But I think it will up-level a lot of people's way of learning. So AI actually will help you make learning more fun, for example, for a lot of like sort of the younger generation. How do you kind of make school interesting is you personalize it. So we're seeing a lot of systems where AI, so if you're like doing this level of work, if AI says, oh, you just got this score, you're doing better, and they'll progress you and give you questions to get to the next level, it's actually very encouraging and rewarding. But if you're a C student and you're this far from the next level, you're going to be discouraged and you're going to lose confidence. And so what AI is actually helping doing is making more confident learners.
Right.
And I think that's something that's going to broadly impact society.
Yeah.